Gonna play 99 Nights in the Forest. By the way, like and subscribe, please. I could hit 20 million subscribers. Oh my god. I'm tired. Oh, never mind. Just please like and subscribe. Oh. Okay. You know what? This is too funny. I am. Okay. Change. Yeah, I already know this, okay? Don't even get me cleared, okay? Just I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Who's this guy? Never mind. Orange. Bro, a lot of skins today like that. Never mind. Nobody. Maybe we'll go to my. But I'm just okay. What is here? Okay, we're tested. That's cool. That's cool. Please like and subscribe because we're gonna play 99. Yeah, now you already know that. Please don't tell me. Whatever. Just being crazy about that, mom. What the heck? Why we're going up, so gonna be going. It's gotta be. With a haunted voice, a song of I believe. I'm lagging again. I'm just gonna cry and not cry. Just gonna cry. Bro, I'm lagging. Oh my god, I could not like move or something. By the way, let's stay see my Mr. Hop playhouse. Oh, I didn't even saw me beans. Just okay. They have a new one. What about let's go explore, guys? Never mind. Not explore. I already played 99 nights in the forest 2 times. Maybe I forgot. Now sapling. Great. I'm just gonna put it here. I'm just gonna cut more trees. Bye. Wait, I'm logging. I might think I might this game. Oh my god. I already do face reveal. Oh my god, I didn't even do face reveal yet actually. Guys, please somebody help us. Yeah, I know that. I think I'm pretty dumb. Bro, treats are so far. Bro. Tawa update is like little scary.
Pero may tinapay ko dito na wala kami na ano kay gali na kami 7:30 out na kami ng diwa. Ayun na
May
kami.
nang pagata.
Ayun na kami 7:40.
Oo.
Butangan mo niya. Kasi na rin mo.
Oh, gusto ko na.
Ibutang mo sa ano. Baka ito ininit. Bakit na?
Hindi ba kami hindi.
Ito sa ano. Ay manang sa bak. Ikaw.
Oh, duwa ka pa.
Hmm?
Pati lang.
Lahat ito.
Ako
Dala kayo
Ano eh? Nah, that's just my family, guys. Just talking because we're on work. And I'm gonna play. Whatever. Don't be scared. You're not a baby.
Hindi ang gawa eh. Kasi rin may nagpangagatas.
Probably. I know that the last character is not this. I just need this. I just. They know kid. Okay. Bell trader. Yeah, traitor. And this is like gonna be the whatever, guys. So can subscribe. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go there.
I wanna make love. Bibi, excited ka na malakas?
Oh,
Saan?
oh,
First time mo masakay ang plano?
oh.
Di man sakay kayo ang plano?
Ano mo ba yan? Man, I'm not gonna update it. Bro! I guess I'll oh. Oh, okay, now I get it. Bro. What happened to the trader? Never mind. I might get this all.
Kada wag transa ka pala, try mo ta maglako sa dito sa iPad. Kung may mga transaction ka pala, di para maanan, ikaw magla ka.
Hindi na sa iPad. Kaya daw close ano pa siya. Yung daw hindi siya wala maka
Open shift mo ito, mo
Oo, sa open. Ano kayo ni? Ito na ako na open. Open shift.
nabili ka sa export.
Wait, I'm hungry again. Oh my god! I need flashlight. Bruh. We're going up, 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 gotta be golden. Never mind. Oh my god.
Bibi magsakay kayo ng plan mo, ganing bibi maginawa ka, ang ka na ako. Iya, bota na ibo ilaw.
Ano siya?
I-blow mo gito doon todo.
Okay.
Na i-blow mo gito. Yung gabi na ang pressure pag pag mo ng aeroplano, grabe na ang pressure. Iyan mo naman na ginawa ka.
Alam ko.
Okay. I-record mo ang record.
I have to wait.
Ang ilo, vaccination card, ipangutaon mo man na. Posible pangitaan ka mga ang sa hotel.
I found my flashlight was broke. Okay, I'm logging. Actually, kind of doing it. But one by one will die. I don't know why. Wait, logging. I was loving life is Bro, stop doing that. Did you hack? Oh, nah, never mind. Frog.
Bata. Puro na lang si bata. Cellphone.
Hey, Pusbin, naka-record ko.
Naka-record ko rin.
Sorry about that. Just my family talking. Oh my god, nobody even planned this. Bro, ano yung... Yeah, ano. Oh.
Nagdala ko. Luto na yung masaging.
Dumi ko, ano nga.
Alam pa ako, sa next week ko naman luto. Kung nga mo yung naluto. Ha? Oo.
Luto naman siya.
Yung... Yeah.
Nagdala gali.
Okay, by the way, we're gonna recap forever. Like this in the running. Nobody even knows. Food this. Oh my lord, you don't even do this. But I'm gonna find food. Yeah. But they even build a farm. What are they, dumb? Oh, whatever. Yeah. I will die, never mind. So I'm gonna put this life to death. Never mind. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video here and like and subscribe. I'm confused. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.